Guys, it's your girl Kara. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show y'all a few different ways I like to style my box braids. And FYI, I did these myself. If you would like to see a video on how I do my own box braids, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll be happy to upload it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So that was a few other styles that I like to do when I have my box braids in. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel already, and leave a comment below for new video requests and I'll get right on it. So I will see y'all in the next video.